So I don't think February gets the respect it deserves, the shortest of all the months, but I am excited for February. I am geeked out for new tech, and we were just talking about it in the office. There are 4 things in particular in February coming out that I cannot wait to get my nerdy loving hands on, which sounds like these hands love nerds. But you know what I'm saying? There's cool stuff coming, especially from Mobile World Congress. So I figured instead of just talking to the guys around the office, I would talk to you about it. We could geek out together. Let's start with the latest from LG. They've pretty much already not announced the announcement. The LG G6, we've done a video talking everything about it, but it should have a bit of an odd 18:9 aspect ratio, which I don't understand why they just don't call 2:1. I learned my fractions. If you divide top and... Anyway, it's gonna have a weird aspect ratio. Snapdragon 821, not the 835, because Samsung just like hoarded up all the 835 chips for the S8. They're ditching the mods from the G5 in favor of waterproofing, and I'm fingers doubly crossed for wireless charging. But we should see that in February. Hooray! So remember back in I/O, like a long time ago, when they announced Android Wear 2.0, and then we didn't hear anything about Android Wear 2.0? It's coming, and February is the month. February's getting mad props from Techno Buffalo. And before anybody starts commenting, what am I on? I'm just excited about tech. I always see those comments like, John seems excited. He must be smoking something. I'm not. I'm high on life and excited about technology. So some cool stuff from LG should be coming. In fact, I believe Techno Buffalo was the first site that shared images of the 2 LG watches that are coming. The LG Watch Sports and the LG Watch Style, starting at around 250 bucks. They should also have Google Assistant built in. So Android Wear 2.0, getting on my wrist. Hopefully, you can get on your wrist too. If you use an iPhone, you can still get on your wrist because it's getting more features that'll work with iOS. So you know what you used to hear a lot about and now you don't hear anything about? You could have been Smash Mouth, maybe Avril Lavigne. Sorry if you're a fan of those two. But Android tablets used to be all the thing, and then we didn't really hear much about them. But Samsung will make it a showing at Mobile World Congress with the Galaxy Tab S3. I actually really liked the Tab S2. It was super thin. This one's aimed to go head-to-head against the smaller 9.7-inch iPad Pro. A little bit smaller on the screen side. It should be 9.6 inches. It's going to be rocking a screen resolution of 2048 by 1536, Snapdragon 820, 4 gigs of RAM, and expect Samsung to make it really, really, really thin. And I can also expect a lot of explosive comments down below. Tab S3 is coming soon. And last but not least, BlackBerry still got some juice left in that berry, which is a joke I've been wanting to make for a little while. So thank you for sticking with my dad joke. With the BlackBerry Mercury is coming, it looks like a classic kind of BlackBerry with the keyboard down below and the screen up above. We had a chance to go hands-on with it at CES. They didn't really let us take any video of it. It didn't tell us much of the specs. So TCL made it, so they should probably unveil most of what the phone's going to be, but expect a lot of the same BlackBerry Android stuff that you liked or maybe didn't like with the Priv. I was a big fan of it, so I'm excited to try it. I still have a soft spot in my cold dead heart for physical keyboards, so I'm excited to give this guy a shot. Maybe you guys are too. So those are 4 exciting things coming in February. I'm just geeked out about it, and I figured to talk to you about it in a TB news format. So what are you guys excited about? Anything particular Mobile World Congress you want to see? Let us know. And for our comment of the day, let's go back to our LG G6 video. It seemed to make sense. It comes from Abdul G, who said, "What's with all the hate against LG? They're the only company that's trying new things. It may not be as successful, but hell, they'll try. I'm personally excited for the G6. Well, Abdul, we'll see what they have in store. And if you want to check out more of Abdul's comments, he's made a ton of good ones. We'll link to him down below. Thank you guys for watching. If you want to beat upcoming comments of the day, it should be pretty obvious. Just leave a comment and maybe we'll feature it. Hope you guys enjoyed. Give the video a thumbs up. We appreciate it. John Reitinger. I'll see you guys next video.